That was good. Right.
That's what we're talking about. Nice breath in and out.
Oh.
That's how you know it was a good one. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Wow. Knocked the wind out of you there, huh?
That was like the crunchiest one I think I've ever gotten.
That probably was.